The next two sections of the enrollment form include selecting electives and alternate courses. All students must have a total of 8 credits. As students begin to select their electives, we suggest, as a way of tracking their total credits, to write down the classes from their ICAP they plan to take next year. Here's an example of a credit tracking sheet that may help students select the required 8 credits. The current freshman and sophomore students have to select their RPE and 4 core classes. So on this sheet, you'll see the RPE for this one is accounting, and that's a full year class, so it's first and second semester. There's their English class, their algebra class, biology class, and world history. They also must select electives. So you'll notice that 5 credits are taken up by their RPE and their 4 core classes. They've chosen Spanish, and that's a full year class, so it's first and second semester. And it looks like they've added 4 semesters of other electives. So the first semester class is technical theater, and then health, general PE, and ceramics. A few reminders about course numbers. Course numbers that include an X are year-long courses. Any course number that does not have an X is a semester course. If you find courses that have an asterisk, that would be a college level course. And any course listing with a number sign at the end would be considered application or audition courses. Students must reference the CEPG course descriptions beginning on page 34 of the CEPG to make sure that they are meeting any prerequisites of an elective course they may have. So here's the computer science section. It says successful completion refers to a C or better. Computer science essentials, there's no prerequisite. It tells you it's worth 1 practical arts credit for graduation. Here, AP, which again, asterisk means college level, the prerequisite would be the completion, successful, C or better, of the computer science essentials. So make sure students are referencing those as they pick their electives for enrollment. After selecting their elective classes, students will be asked to type in their top preferences before going on to the next section. Students should select alternate courses in the next section using the same process. Alternate classes may be used in the event students do not get their top elective choice. Therefore, it's imperative they choose classes from their ICAP that they're planning on taking in high school. Again, they must meet any prerequisites for alternates as well. This form will be due February 19th.